Good day, Nigerians. Good day, Africa. Solidarity forever. One love with better style. Edo State people, make una come o. Benin City, make una come. Make una come see how people take the rule for government. Make una come see the negative side of politics. I know say anybody will be number one or will dey head any ministry or department for government must enjoy, must chop money. You no get how you dey be pastor rich or how you go be Christian rich or how you go holy rich. Make you dey for government office as a figurehead or as a number one. Make you no enjoy or make you no chop. My problem now be say now, as una like enjoyment rich, as una dey chop rich, as una dey travel rich, una dey see civilization, why una still keep una people for poverty? Why una still keep the people wey vote una for darkness, for backwardness, for grief and for pain? Una no fit just help these same people, these una followers na people wey dey vote una in, the masses. Una no fit just help them, make dem just get up small, make dem just uplift, make their life change, make dem still dey smile. Abi una no know say many people not get joy for this regime. Una wan make many people kill themselves by themselves before una come their meetings. Make una see Uselu Secondary School. Uselu Secondary School wey dey for Idake, wey dey for Uselu Market, wey dey for Melam Motel Road. Uselu Secondary School don dey exist for over 30 years. Uselu Secondary School don produce many leaders. In fact, Uselu Secondary School don produce many councillors and local government chairmen. If I dey lie, make una ask Barrister Ide Agbon, wey don first be local government chairman for 1999. Make una ask Osabo Ide, Honorable Osabo Ide. See as Uselu Secondary School just be. Uselu Secondary School be like refuge dump. Uselu Secondary School be like where they pack cow, abattoir, go dey sleep for night. Uselu Secondary School was past psychiatric hospital. Then you go dey expect make students come go sit down for there, make them for take lectures for that kind of bad atmosphere, for this kind of bad environment. How the book want to enter their head? How they want to feel relaxed, dey comfortable? My brothers and sisters, there is no way here. These people dey bamboozle us. Now make una wey be the masses. I want make una shine una eye. Make una no dey take things for granted. Now the Ego local government secretariat now e not too far from this Uselu Secondary School. Yes, e not reach 300 meters if you use tape to measure am. From Ego local government secretariat, it just dey adjacent am. If you throw stone from inside Uselu Secondary School, you go enter inside Ego secretariat. So does it mean that the present Ego local government chairman or chairlady no dey see this Uselu Secondary School, or no dey drive past there, or none of him followers dey tell am say, madam, this school don dey bad reach, make dem renovate am or make dem repair am? You no need to call governor for this kind of work now. You no need to call president for this kind of work, or you no need to call commissioner or ministers. The local government chairman go fit do this one. Now school. Now about 5 buildings don condemn now. 5 different buildings don condemn for inside Uselu Secondary School. Una no fit repair am? Who una dey wait for? Ere Ogbemudia, you are the Ego local government chairperson. I repeat, Ere Ogbemudia, you are the local government chairperson from Ward 10. What are you doing with your power? Now, so they catch 2 boys where they go collect a fake, use a fake ticket, they collect money for drivers, and una disgrace them that day, show them for public, show the full Benin, what they do, show them the fake ticket. Why una not fit show Benin City now, or show Edo State the rehabilitation what I want to do for inside Uselu Secondary School? Or why una not do Uselu Secondary School, more than snap a picture or do video, go show am for news or show Benin people? Ogbemudia, this one not be big job at all. This one not be big thing. Say you go rehabilitate or you go renovate Oselu Secondary School. It go be your pride. Not be saying na only boys school. Now boys and girls school. If na only boys school now, if I say okay, we will leave her for the men with the power. No, now boys and girls school. Ogbemudia. I am talking to you now, Ogbemudia, the local government chairman or the local government chairperson of Ego. I am talking to you now. On Monday, once you reach your office, I want to make you go look Oselu Secondary School. You don't need to enter motor, you don't need to drive, go there. Just take a walk. It will not take more than 2 minutes. You go different Oselu Secondary School from your secretariat or from your office. Ogbemudia, go and check Oselu Secondary School and do something about it. For our papa, Godwin Obaseki, I salute you well. They say now you be the way can see governor. Yes, I not dispute that fact. I not get any problem with you, Godwin Obaseki. But Godwin Obaseki, I want to make you show yourself now. I want to make you convince me for the Benin boy where I be, say you get level. Godwin Obaseki, I want to make you show your strength as a good governor. So many people don't cry, come meet you since a week ago now. The canal where Oshomole and Prince Clement Agba do, where they say na be Edo State Water Project storm, where they use 30 billion naira to do for about 4 or 5 years. The canal won't kill many people now. The canal don't break. It won't enter people's house, come out for their backyard. Governor Obaseki, la wo yo salobwa imia. Come and help your people. Yes. Edo State people, make una not keep quiet. Make una mobilize on ourselves. Make una even nick yourself. When I go sit down for Denis Osadebe Avenue for government house for there. Because if this canal don't break around Benin City now, many of una house go they sink. Some bricks don't they carry the roof. Miss Primary School for Upper Mission Extension. The canal don't break one enter now. Ogbebo, Ajayi Street. All those places don't finish. Ewa Road, since they born me, now so that I don't hear say they want to renovate Ewa Road. Since 1990, now I don't hear say they go soon do Ewa Road. They go soon do Ewa Road. They go soon do Ewa Road. Ewa Road don't hold past everybody. Ewa Road still did there, Jabrata. Ewa Road did there anyhow. They're not going to do Ewa Road. Oshomole and Prince Clement Agba collected or said they used 30 billion naira to do a Edo State Water Project Fund or Edo State Water Project Storm. Go see Tom Line for Oselu, for near Oselu Motor Park. If rain fall, if you need a boat or you need to wait like 5 hours before you will fit pass front of Tom Line. And Tom Line as civil engineer. Tom Line not fit collaborate with the state government, make they repair front of his house. Action House for Upper Mission Extension. Almost all the house don't they fall now, don't they bend. The canal, the moat, all don't break, reach the house. Oshomole go bring Lebanese contractor, come we not sabi work. When people berekete for Benin City, for Edo State, we go fit do that work. When Engineer Bob did there, in Abulele, where they forgive Engineer Bob and Abulele this contract, make everywhere still. They go they give Lebanese so that they will fit chop money for inside. Even the canal, where the canal dey as mud, where the canal dey as red sand, where the canal dey where because they never put cement or they never concrete the canal not bad like this. The canal they take all the water that time. Within 3 and 2 days or 4 days, all the water go sink enter ground. The canal go suck am, the red sand go suck am. But now they go bring Lebanese come now make all construct am with concrete now. We don't know the kind of concrete where they take concrete am. Whether na patchy concrete or na ogbolo concrete, rain go dey fall, concrete go dey comot for ground. See children school plenty. About 5 schools now dey around this area now. We not pray make bad rain fall one day or make serious rain fall one day now. Make this rain swallow these children. Because these children must go school. I beg you, Governor Godwin Obaseki. I beg you, Oba of Benin, Oyekenekene Madoyo, Oromane Buao, Ikpebokpakuro Magboduma. The Oba of Benin, please talk to Governor Godwin Obaseki. Make them do the canal where they around Benin. When rain fall, problem dey come. See your permission extension, see Ogbebo, see Ajayi, see Obase. Those areas now no go area now for this rainy season. People no dey fit pass. Once rain fall for 2 hours or 3 hours, either you dey for your house or you dey for where you from dey come. I beg you, the state governor Obaseki, do something about the water project storm in Edo State. Oshomole don fuck up for that one. Clement Agba don chop the money with Oshomole. Wetin don pass because if na good thing Oshomole do for ground now, na so you go carry for head as the next governor. So as na bad thing still do now, or you not do am well finish, abeg Governor Obaseki, abeg help us look into this matter. People for Ogbebo, people for Obase, people for Ajayi and Upper Mission Extension, dem dey beg you. They cry with their life and their future. Some of the houses wey dey around there, now inherit, these people inheritance, they not see money build house. The way they still inherit, make you not let them fall president for night. Because these people no dey fit sleep again. Now one eye that they open, one eye they tell they sleep. Governor Obaseki, I join the people of this community to beg you. And Gbamudia, I am still talking to you. Please, on Monday, which is next tomorrow, go to your local government secretariat, which is your office. Just 2 meters away or 200 meters away from your office, now be Uselu Secondary School. I help us go look Uselu Secondary School, make we know how we go to renovate or to rehabilitate them. That school not get wetin that they look for there. That school not be school where be say they're supposed to abandon like that. That school don't produce enough great people for this Edo State, for this Benin City. As of recent now, about 3 years ago, I hear say that they do Old Boys Association or that they do that school reunion in that kind level. I beg Governor Godwin Obaseki, I beg look into this Edo State project storm or Edo State water project storm. Make people for not follow water go. Africa unite, Nigerians be wise. Solidarity forever. One love with better style.